In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import any Notion template. If you've ever found a beautiful Notion template online and wondered how to actually get it into your own workspace, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go through the full process slowly and clearly so you can follow along in real time, even if you're brand new to Notion. First, open Notion and make sure you're signed into the account where you want the template to live. It's a good idea to do this on a desktop browser or the desktop app, since the interface is a little easier to navigate than on mobile. Once you're in, head over to the template page you want to import. This might be from the official Notion template marketplace, from a creator's website, or from a shared link someone sent you. On the templates page, look for the settings option. Depending on how the page is laid out, this might appear as a small gear icon or as a button labeled settings near the top right corner or in a visible menu bar. Take a moment to hover your mouse over the icons if you're not sure which one it is. When you've found it, click on Settings. This opens up a panel or drop-down that controls what you can do with the template. Inside this settings area, you should see an option called Import. Sometimes it might be grouped with options like Duplicate or Use this template, but you're specifically looking for Import in this case. Click on Import. When you do this, Notion will begin copying the entire template into your own workspace. This includes the page structure, any subpages, databases, and layouts. Depending on the size of the template and your internet connection, this might take a few seconds. Once the process is complete, you'll see the imported version appear in your sidebar, usually under your private pages or the workspace you currently have selected. From there, you can rename the page, move it into a different section, or share it with teammates. It's also a good idea to quickly scroll through the template right after importing, just to make sure everything looks correct and to get a feel for how it's organized. Remember, every part of the imported template is now yours to edit. You can tweak the design, adjust databases, or delete anything you don't need without affecting the original template online. And that's all it takes. Click on Settings, click Import, wait a moment,